How to turn off message notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off message notifications on your Instagram. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. And now click on settings and click on notifications. Click on direct message and calls. Now you have the second choice, which is message. Click on off. And now you did turn it off your message notifications. If someone sends you a message, you are not gonna get a notifications. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.